My name is David Ojo and I am 10 years old. I was selected as one of the participants for the Tech Skill Up program by Access Bank.
The Tech Skill Up was a free virtual bootcamp in which we got to learn various digital skills like graphic design, video editing, as well as AI and machine learning.
It was so amazing to be there and I enjoyed it so much.
My favorite part of the Tech Skill Up program for me was the fact that I got to make cards, posters, and other different things on Canva.
During the Tech Skill Up program, I was able to create a high-resolution flyer talking about withdrawals and transactions in Access Bank.
One cool thing I was able to learn about AI was that I was able to create a differentiating device which can tell the difference between a cat and a dog.
My favorite part was the video editing because I'm a content creator and so I already have some experience in video editing, but this was a great opportunity for me to improve upon my video editing skills and to really know how to do what I do better. So I shot and edited a video on cybersecurity and I did make some posters and blog posts on Canva.
At the start of the Tech Skill Up program, I was a bit nervous, but when we got into the practicals, I enjoyed it.
Making designs on my own on Canva made me feel so happy and I really liked it.
I was so proud of myself and it made me feel like a real tech pro.
One of the most exciting parts for me was emerging the winner of the video editing category and getting a cash prize of 100,000 Naira.
I won a 100,000 Naira cash prize in the AI developing parts section.
I would love every young person out there
To join Tech Skill Up 2025
because it's a really great opportunity for you to learn new skills or improve upon old skills you have.
And who knows, maybe they could even win a prize like me.
So I want to say a very big thank you to Access Bank for bringing up this program to help children develop what they are good at.
So I want to say a very big thank you to Access Bank and keep up the good work.
Thank you, Access Bank.
Thank you so much, Access Bank, for this opportunity. I love you guys so much.
To commemorate this year's Children's Day, we are happy to inform you that the 2025 Tech Skill Up program is now open for registration. Visit the link showing on your screen to register your child today. From all of us at Access Bank, we say Happy Children's Day.